glove off, took his glove off and slapped my face with it. He wants to fight a duel. Will you be my second? Oh, no! We will have to rush. They want me to grow a beard and rejoin the circus. But I've got a special cucumber to show you. Well, all right. If you survive the duel, I will take a look at your cucumber. It's time for Enya to leave, and Madam wants us all to give her a shout. Come along, everybody! Enya! 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 Alison! At last! The estate is in the hand of the new order. My work here is done. Just a minute, don't move a single step. 10 paces, turn and fire. But it's me, Trufflemore. I don't care. You killed my chickens, didn't you? Come back! What's happening? Glove just takes Trufflemore up with the gun. Oh, poor Trufflemore. St. Bacon's hiding behind the curtain in the ballroom. They managed to get the Bastille off Tremors. What? Glove just shot the fish tank. St. Bacon, are you hit? No, I hid underneath the fish tank. Come with me. Come with me, we will leave this ridiculous place and go and join the circus. Trufflemore just bolted the pond and ran off into the forest with the glove off at his heels. I don't think he's the right man for you, Enya. Come with me now. I can't stand in this poor old house a second longer. That's down there. Right, good. All right, I'll phone the doctor in a minute. There's no sheep left. What? Every single one? Yes. Someone went mad with a pair of shears. I wonder who that could have been. Huh? What's that noise? The ghost of a coughing sheep. Should we go and find something together? Yes. Together. They've left me behind. After all these years. The old master wouldn't have done that when he was alive, that is. That's it. What's wrong? Thank you all very much for coming. We hope you enjoyed the show. Yeah. What? Yes, you can follow us on Twitter. Yes. Is it? At Coughing Sheep. Yes, okay, thank you so much. We got a bell. Give the bloody head.